well, we have what is possibly the best view I have had of a violet-backed starling on this show in all my years. It's collecting allets for a nest. It's on the far right branch, Seb. And so what it's doing is it's coming here, grabbing allets, packing its beak full of them, then flies to a nest, which I don't know where it is, obviously feeds the chicks, and then comes back again and fills up its beak. This is its now third round of filling up the beak. But I mean, look at that. We have a full headshot. How is that? Is this not the most epic thing? That is so cool. We are being spoiled, that's for sure. There, it's back again. Look. But look at the iridescent coloration. You can almost see it's like scaly with the feathers. And you see another allet in. This is just insane. Nice, Seb. Well done. This is so cool. Oh, you're just having a field day, aren't you? Isn't that amazing?
How many does she have now? Like 3 or 4?
That's so cool. Now there's some females that are starting to arrive as well, which is really cool. So we're going to just sit here and just see how many times it goes and comes back. All right. So that's the female. Doesn't look anything like, down a little bit on the right. There we go. Yeah. So she doesn't look anything like the male, as you can see by that. That's the female version of a violet-backed starling. Unfortunately, the boys... yes, exactly. The boys of the species certainly got the looks when it came to this particular species. Got this beautiful iridescence to it, which for me just makes it one of the most beautiful birds in the summer sort of period for us. I think they're magnificent.
That one.
Did it eat that one?
Yeah.
It's decided, no, this is too much work flying up and down like this. I need some energy of my own.